Milanote tutorial for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Milanote, a powerful, flexible, and super user friendly tool to organize your creative ideas, projects, and notes. Whether you are a designer, writer, student, or just someone who loves staying organized, this video has got you covered, so let's dive right in. So, if you don't know what is Milanote, so basically Milanote is a online visual collaboration tool designed for creative projects. It works like a digital whiteboard where you can combine text, images, links, and files, and even drawings all in one place. It is perfect for planning, brainstorming, and mood boarding and organizing any project you have in mind. Now, so if you understand what is Milanote, so let's get started with sign up with your account. So just simply come on this website, which is milanote.com, and something will look like this. So this is a basic overview of their website, and click on the sign up for free. Or if you have already an account, just simply log in. I will go for sign up for free, and then it will take few seconds. So whether you have three option, you can enter your email address and enter your password, and you can you can sign up with the Google as well. If you have an Apple, you can go with the Apple. Now I will sign up with the Google. So just now, once you are signed up, they will ask you two question, which is which of these best describe you? I am a freelancer, solo creative, or which of these best describe you is I am a graphic designer or I'm an illustrator. Whatever you are, just select that. Now after that, we have got the simple tutorial for this Milestone board. Now let's skip this. Now let's understand the Milanote dashboard. So this is a dashboard of Milaton. It is very clean, and yeah. So in the left side, you will get to see some main tools and navigational things. Now, if you talk about the notes, so notes is basically, for example, if you are planning a project, you can use notes to write down your ideas or project description. You can use that and use this to add web link. For example, you can link a website you're reaching for your project or lot of things. Now if you go to in link, this is a link where you can add that link which website you want to visit. Now if you go like if you go into Todo, so Todo is perfect for creating task list. For instance, if you are planning a video project, you can list tasks like scripting, writing, and recording, editing, a lot of things. So you can add this task as well. Now, if you go back into your lines, so lines is basically a lines. Lines, you can use this tool to draw lines and connect items, is perfect for creating flowchart or mind maps. Now, if you go back into the dashboard, and you will get to see there is an option of board. So board is basically, this is one of the milestone best feature. You can create new boards within your main board to organize your project. For example, if you are working on a design project, you can have one board for mood boarding and another for sketching and another for feedback. So you can make multiple boards in one board. Now let's talk about these three dots. So three dots is where you can you can use sketch, color, documents, audio. If you want add table, you can add, let's say if you want to add headings into this canvas, you can add. So they have a lot of option. They have maps, videos as well. Now if you go to image, so basically in the image section, this is one of image. From here you can upload image directly from your computer, which is perfect for mood boards or design project. And let's say if you want to search your image, New York, let's say if it is work or not. So they have their own library, as you can see here. So you can search in their library as well. So if you go into upload is basically, this option is for, you can upload PDF documents or even videos as well. Now if you go into draws, so draws is basically free from draw tool, useful for quick sketches or annotation directly on your board. Now, if you see this is in the right top, you will get to see this setting option where you can manage the account setting, and you can see the upgradation. And if you want to get the Milanote app in mobile, you can just scan this code. So yeah, you can build these. This is the overview of this dashboard. You can use it. Just simply what I will do, I will just delete it. Now let's create your first board. So to create your board, what you have to do is in the left side there is an option of board. Just simply drag in. Now you have to give the name of your burst. Let's say this is my first board, and maybe my spelling is wrong. No, it's right. Now, as you can see here, we have created our board. Now, if you want to change the board icon, you can change it by you can add your first recommended. You can upload an image as well, but I will choose a default one. I will just simply change the color. Double click on your board, and it will take you to your board. From here, you can add and organize contents. Now that you have your first board ready, let's learn how to add and organize content. Let's say, uh, we have to add some text over here. Now, what I will do, I will just simply drag the note and type something like over here. You can type anything. Now, I will do first text. Now, you can add also images over here from here as I explain in the dashboard. So we will create a to-do list over here. So what I will do, I will just simply uh, go back and drag the to-do list over here. So first, let's say we are creating to-do list to our content creation. So this is our first board, and I will create another one where I give a task to a scriptwriter. Right now, I will create a board for uh, the the content. Like the first task is to research about topics, then another create to-do list and add it, then create script. Then if you want to assign this, you can assign by just simply clicking on assign in the left side. Now if you want to add a due date, you can add that too. Now if you want to add title, you can add title in the to-do list as well. Now let's get back. Now create a script. Now voice over. Then again, we will go back, create. So voiceover editing of the video. Then again, we will go back. If you want to customize it, you can customize by your own editing of the video and then upload the video. Though this is a basic. Now let's, so this is for the first board. Now let's say if you want to add the new board, which is for script writing, and like if you want to create a task for a script writer, what you can do, you can add the board, drag that board and click on the lines, and just you can what you can do is just simply connect with these two lines. Just I'm giving you example. Double click on the board, and it will ask you to choose a template. You can nest it as well. Now let's say if you want, I'm just giving you example. You don't need to create for board to script writer. Let's say how you can use template from here. Just simply choose a design brief. This is a design brief template. Now let's say this looks great, to be honest. Let's say project manage. If you want to like if you want like if you want to use these kind of templates, you can use and you can customize as well. Let's say you go in the more templates, you will get to see and you can search as well. Let's say if you want a podcast outline or podcast script, YouTube script, yes, YouTube script. Now you will get to see this scripting template and use this template as a new board. Now you can change the name as well, scripting of the video. So yeah, so you can use these templates. Now you can add your image like by clicking on this icon. Now here you can start, give an intro, introduction, or whatever you want to put into this scripting uh, board. So yeah, that's it. And this is how you can create board and subboard into your Milanote application. Once your board is ready, what you can do is just simply export it by PDF standard or PDF high quality, or you can share with anyone via link or via invite editor via email or invite via with a copying link. Just copy link, or if you want to invite editor via email, you can use that too. So yeah, that's it for today's tutorial. You know how to use Milanote for start to finish, whether you are planning your next creative project, organizing study notes, or collaborating with team. So yeah, if you found this tutorial helpful, then please give it a thumb, subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.